Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify Search and Discovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Shopify Search and Discovery, first, log into your Shopify admin. Navigate to the Apps section in your admin. Search for Shopify Search and Discovery in the App Store. Once you find the app, click on it to view more details. Click on the Add App button to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to authorize the app to access your store data. Review the permissions and click Install App to proceed. After installation, the app will redirect you to its dashboard. Here, you can customize how your search results will appear. Start by exploring the options under Search Settings. Adjust the search filters to best fit your store's products. Next, check the merchandising section to highlight specific items. You can drag and drop products to prioritize their appearance in searches. Now, head to the Search Analytics section. This will provide insights into how customers are using search on your site. Analyze the data to understand popular search queries. Utilize this information to improve product descriptions and tags. Once all settings are adjusted to your satisfaction, save your changes. Finally, test the search functionality on your storefront. Ensure that results are accurate and relevant based on your configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.